Energy codes are driving changes for renovation and new construction projects, affecting the lives of specifiers, contractors, and building owners. Beyond code compliance, there's an increased need for a building to become more efficient and have advanced features to connect the building to its occupants like never before. Lighting controls plays a critical role in addressing code compliance and delivering these advanced capabilities. The nLight lighting controls platform connects intelligent luminaires, sensors, and other control devices to create a digital network with unmatched flexibility. Ideal for nearly every application type, nLight delivers one system for your entire site from a reliable, proven, and trusted brand. The nLight platform provides a superior approach to lighting controls, delivering a highly efficient and cost-effective system that removes complexity from design, specification, and installation. Using luminaires with embedded controls from a single manufacturer is one way to reduce complexity. This ensures interoperability and reduces the number of devices to specify and install. nLight provides the flexibility to go from a standalone to a networked lighting control solution using wired or wireless controls. If you start with a standalone room solution, you can easily come back later to upgrade to a network system in a cost-effective way by leveraging existing equipment. nLight is simple and intuitive to design, specify, and install. We consider all elements of the system, from writing a spec to getting the product to the job, to installation, startup, and commissioning. nLight makes installation easy with wired controls that work out of the box, or wireless controls that offer the lowest cost of install and are programmable using a mobile app, all on one platform. With building owners and facilities managers in mind, nLight provides the capability to address energy savings, space reconfiguration, and occupant comfort using software or mobile apps. Ideal for practically any application, small to large, indoor to outdoor, nLight offers lighting controls that scale from one room to an entire floor, from one floor to an entire building, from one building to an entire campus. To achieve a fully networked solution and unlock even more advanced features, add the nLight Eclipse to your nLight lighting controls platform. The Eclipse provides time of day and astronomical scheduling, building or campus-wide configuration, building management system integration via BACnet, energy management and space utilization dashboards, and automatic demand response. The nLight Eclipse simplifies network solutions without the need of a third-party or licensing concern. nLight can help manage spaces more efficiently and personalize your spaces to help them increase productivity, innovation, and collaboration. nLight provides a solution with an unmatched ability to scale and network your entire campus, serving all of your project needs. nLight scales beyond the indoor environment and goes where other lighting control systems cannot. Outdoor. Now you can take your lighting controls even further, networking indoor to outdoor with one system. nLight sets itself apart from other lighting controls with a comprehensive offering that includes a vast catalog of nLight-enabled luminaires, a broad portfolio of lighting control devices, and fully advanced mobile apps and software. To support any project needs, we offer nLight-enabled luminaires in every category with factory-guaranteed interoperability. nLight's extensive portfolio of lighting control devices includes sensor options ranging from ceiling mount to high bay to fixture embedded, switch options including dimming and scene switches, key switches, and graphic touchscreens, and various lighting control types including normal and emergency power, as well as analog, phase, and digital dimming. Extending our lighting controls offering further, we have mobile apps and software to make configuration, startup, and ownership simple and easy. Our apps offer an alternative to push-button or dip switch programming without a remote that can get broken or lost. When specifying or designing a job, you want to know that a system is easy to install and start up. Mobile apps and software address the essential needs of a project and the business. Our software solutions contain a variety of features that include remote configuration and monitoring of nLight-enabled luminaires and control devices, occupancy pattern statistics, so building owners and property managers can make data-driven decisions for renovations, space planning, and other expansions, a dashboard that monitors building energy consumption to deliver actionable data to support and promote energy and sustainability initiatives. From standalone solutions to full campus controls, from indoor to outdoor and in between, nLight provides a comprehensive, cost-effective, lighting control solution for nearly any project, supported by advanced apps and software, and all from the trusted name of Acuity Brands. nLight, your site, one system. Please visit us at acuitybrands.com/nlight.